Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Faraz Ahmad. So if you have cleared your driving theory test, definitely you will be looking for the practical test dates. So you must be knowing that these days it's very difficult to get the date of the driving practical test in the very near future. So if you are living near the London, it will be even more difficult to get the seat of the practical driving test in the next 6 months. But in this video I am going to tell you the process how you can book using your provisional driving license which you got after passing of the driving theory test, how you can book your practical test. So please keep in mind you need only two things for the booking of your practical driving test. The number one thing is you need the driving license number which is given on your card of the provisional driving license, and apart from that number you need your bank payment card, you need your debit card or the credit card, whichever you want to use. You need only these two things, and if you have both of these two things you can proceed for the booking of your driving theory test. So in this video I am going to let you know that how you can book. So I have given the link in the description. When you will click on the link of the gov.uk for the practical booking test is given in the description. When you will click on the link, it is saying that you can use that link for the car, motorcycle, lorries. Definitely we are going to book the test for the car. Or so book the test online. It is saying that you will be put in a queue. When you will start booking your driving test, you will be told how long it will take and how long you have to wait in the queue. But if you are using the laptop, this queue will be very short. If you are using the mobile phone, this queue will be very long. He is saying that you can book the test in the next 24 weeks. Then we will click on the start on button. There are 9 steps which you have to follow when you are booking your driving practical test. So first step is type of the test. Definitely I am going to book for the car. I will click on the car and after this I will proceed. The next step is license details. You have to write your license number, provisional driving license number, which is given with your surname and some other numbers on your provisional driving license. You have to put that number over here. After this, the second and the third question, they are totally dependent on your conditions. If you need any special requirement you can put, otherwise no. Click and the continue. So we have done with the 2 steps. The third step is test date. So what he is saying, as well as the date you enter here, we will search all the dates and show you all the suitable test appointments including the cancellation. So you have to put your date over here. If you want to appear in the test, you have to put your desired dates. Then they will tell you either that booking is available or not. I have put the 30th of the September. After this, if you have some instructor, then we will click on the continue button. He's asking about the test center or the car test center. Here you have to put your postcode. When you will put your postcode over here, they will give you the different test center near your postcode. And after putting the postcode, you will click on the find the test center. You can see below there are a lot of test centers are available, but unfortunately there is no test date available on these center. No in the Bedford, no in the Lichworth, no in the Bletchley, no date in the Luton. And you can further move down and you can search for the other dates. You have to go down, search near your postcode. This website is going to show you all the results, all the seats available near your postcode. If there is nothing available, you can find no test date found. Here you can see a date is available, and this is available in the Northampton and around the 10th of November 2023. So here you can see in this test center a lot of facilities are available. Toilet, male female both available, disabled access parking is available, parking available, and this is 22.7 miles away from my postcode, from my location. So if you want to search more, you can. Yes, another test date is available in the Peterborough. This is on the 4th of the November. The previous one was on 10th of November. So if you want to book this, we will click on this date as this is before the last one. So you can see all the white, these dates are available. You can book them. So the shaded one are already booked. So here I am going to say you that if you are going to book your date on the weekend, you have to pay more. Like weekend price is almost £75. So this Saturday and Sunday they come in the weekend. If you want to book in the weekend date, the price is 75. If you want to go for the test in the normal days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, you can see over here that the fee is £62. For the weekend it was 75. For the normal days it is 62. So I have booked a date. Here you can see, you can select your timing as well. I have selected the timing of the 11:11. Then I will continue. Here it's saying that Wednesday 8 November 2023, please complete your book booking within 15 minutes. I will click on the continue button because I have to complete in the 15 minutes. Then I will enter my details over here. Enter your title. You can enter whatever you want. I am a doctor. I will write my first name, surname, address, town, everything. I will put my personal details over here, and after this I will click on the payment details. So this is the second requirement which I told you initially. Apart from the provisional driving license, you will click on the card, Visa card, MasterCard, whichever you have to put over here. And here you can see I have to pay £62 because I am applying for the normal days. So before paying, confirm. So here you can see date and time of the test of the Wednesday 8 November 2023 11 a.m. is the timing of my test. You can change if you want, and the last day to change or the cancel is Friday 3 November. If you want to change with the full fee return, you can cancel this test before 3rd November 2023. The fee of this test is £62. Peterborough is the center. If you are interested with these details, definitely what you can do, you can proceed for the payment, confirm and pay. So next page, this is just a security question. When you will start this application, you have to answer this question there as well, and you have to answer at the end before. So you have to select these pictures given in the order above. At the top of this picture, you will select these. First one is this, second one is this, and third one is this. After this, you will click on the OK button and it will be accepted. And now what you have to do, your driving test is booked. They have taken the £62, and this is your driving test reference number, and everything is over here. So if you want to finish, you can finish as well. If you want to download the PDF booking, you can book as well. So we have completed all the 9 steps. You can see there is a green tick on the every step. It's mean our booking is complete. So let's talk about, there is an important point. All the details are given in the receipt, and important point I am going to mention in the receipt there at the end. It's there. You can see you can cancel, changing your test appointment. It is, you need to change your test appointment. You can do only 6 times. Like you can change the date 6 times. If you have done the 6th time and you want to change the date 7th time, what you have to do, you have to cancel the booking first, and they will return the full fee. Then you can book the new one. But keep in mind, it will get refund if you cancel your test owner before the last date of the cancel. Last date of the cancel in my case is 3rd of November. This means 5 to 6 days before your exam day you can cancel. But if you will cancel after the given date of cancellation, you will get no refund. So that's it. We have done the booking. We will click on the finish button. So this was very easy. You can give the feedback to the booking of the test. You can give the feedback to the gov.uk. Yes, I am very satisfied, and that's it. Send feedback.